Welcome, everybody, to this edition of Attention Talk Video. I'm your host, ADHD and Attention Coach, Jeff Copper. Today, I'm here to share an insight, a little bit of an aha. So you have ADHD and you think you procrastinate a lot. By the way, procrastination is an emotional label that's like name calling, where you're not actually stopping and thinking about what's going on. I've done other videos about procrastination. Much of it's rooted in ambiguity. If you actually stop and think about something, I'm not doing it because I don't know what to do, or I got to make a really hard decision and I don't know what decision to make, you begin to understand why you're legitimately putting it off. But needless to say is that's one reason you procrastinate. Another thing you can notice in your behavior is if you've got things to do, because of working memory challenges, the ADHD brain is going to be drawn to do more tangible things first, and then maybe get to more abstract things later. The reason that's the case is the abstract stuff, by getting your head around it, takes more cognitive effort. So you'll have a tendency to escape that and do the tangible things that you can see, and you can do that now. You might find that explaining a lot of your behavior in some situations. Now, how's that helpful? Self-awareness is really helpful because it's highly correlated with success in life. And to be able to pause and sit down and noticing when you're walking in and you've got a list to do, that you're going to gravitate to that and say, this is abstract. One, how can I make it more tangible? Or two, recognize before you walk into the room, your brain's going to be like a magnet. It's going to be pulled to those more tangible things. Just know that it's happening, expect it, so that you can maybe override it in that situation, manage stuff with intent. More and more, it's interesting that when you think about this, self-awareness has a lot to do with your ability to manage ADHD. So again, just an observation, insight for you to begin to understand your behavior, why you do what you do, as a means to illuminate it, and then recognize, it's human nature. I'm going to gravitate to the easier things that I can see and touch, as opposed to the abstract things. So either try to make the abstract more tangible, do it with somebody, or just acknowledge that's going to happen, expect it, so that you can override the urge to do the easier stuff. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button, post comments, thoughts. What do you think about this? Always love that type of stuff. I like the conversations, and I also like it for good new ideas. Also, we do what we do for you. We certainly appreciate any contribution by hitting our thanks button. So with that, we hope you've enjoyed this edition of Attention Talk Video. Take care.